everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Josephine and I do all kinds of beauty videos, but mostly beauty unboxings and tutorials. And today we're going to unbox the goodie box of October. But before we do that, I want to remind you that I have an affiliate link in the description box. So if you use that when you subscribe to this box, you receive your first box. Well, no. You get 50% off your first box. I don't get paid or anything, it's just an affiliate link. I receive goodie points if you use the link and you receive the 50% off the first box. So that's amazing. So be sure to use that. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, turn notifications on so you don't miss my future videos. But yeah, let's unbox this goodie box. So goodie box is a beauty subscription. You receive around 5 products every month or monthly. The boxes have different themes. And yeah, you receive the actual box in different shades and colors and prints. So let's see what we have this month. So we have a purple box. This is always black, and this little drawer you receive in different colors and prints. So that's the inside of the box. I always save these and organize stuff in them, and yeah, just use some of them as decorations. Actually, we have some. Let's see. This is the Stop Feeling Guilty box, goodie box. Inside of this little paper, we receive descriptions and prices of the product. So I always read this as a last step. And they remind us to buy their Christmas Advent calendar. I tried to buy it and I think I did. I'm not sure. We'll see later if I receive it or not. I just unwrap the paper a bit and then I reach for one product at a time and we talk about it. Okay, so first product. Oh, James Red Gradual Tan Sleep Mask Face Retinol 25 milliliters. I think this is a pretty expensive brand, and we have received some tanning products from this brand in the box earlier. I didn't like it because we received some kind of drops and I applied it and then I was crazy orange, and also my hands were crazy orange, and I didn't like it at all. But I know people in my family who love their products, so I think this is really appreciated. Not the biggest size, but okay, it's okay. Moving on. Oh, what is this? Is this it's an eyeshadow palette? What? Espresso Yourself, the beauty crop. Are you crazy? I waited for this for so long. Come on. I've been begging them to start including more makeup, and we receive an eyeshadow palette. Come on. Finally. Ooh. That's beautiful. We have both mattes and shimmers. So it's a coffee themed palette. Cruelty-free and vegan. It would make sense if they smell like coffee, but they don't. No, they just smell weird. Okay, this is so appreciated, and we also get a mirror in the palette, so that's really, really nice. I like the size of it. I like the mix between mattes and shimmers. It's not overly warm and it's not overly cold. We have some mix. It's a very neutral palette, and I think most of you will find some shades in here to use, and you will get a nice look with this. We'll have to try this out in a first impression video where we do eye makeup look with this, of course, and try out the pigment and how, if they last, if they're good to blend. I'm not sure, but I don't think I've used eyeshadows from the Beauty Crop before, so it's a first time for everything. Moving on. And what do we have? Oh, MCO Beauty. And it's a eyebrow gel, a clear brow gel. Let's open her up. Okay, this feels like my box, okay? I love makeup, and I've, you know, in every single video, I say they should include more makeup, and now finally, well, I'm happy. So that's the brush. Let's apply some. I already have some on, but why not? I can't really notice a difference because I already have a ton of brow gel on, but it feels nice, okay? Appreciate this a lot. Ooh, is this a perfume perhaps? Decure Empowering Fluid Microbeam Repair Mist. So it's a mist. And I think we received a perfume in the last month's box, so maybe they should have waited with this for maybe 2 boxes or something. That doesn't smell anything. So what is this? Is this really the face? Okay, I'm not sure. We have to read about this one. It really feels like a perfume, but it's a mist. But mist for what? Repairing mist? Okay, for the hair, for the face, for the skin. Not sure. I'm so excited. The last product is a makeup brush. Oh, it's from Nire Beauty. This is the 223 eyeshadow. We received a lot of brushes from this brand in our goodie boxes. I have tons of them, and they feel like high quality brushes, and they're so soft. I like the precision of the brushes. I like the design of them. They're easy to clean, they're easy to blend with. Oh, finally. Brushes are my... Yeah, I love brushes, okay? It's my thing. Last time we received a brush in our goodie box, it was the 113, the multitasker from Nire. It was a double-ended brush. Didn't really like that because I have issues storing them. The bristles get all destroyed and just messy. This is so much better. I prefer this design, and it's a very good brush. You can use it for packing, you can use it for blending, just applying some eyeshadow. Okay, so excited. Love this. Yeah, as I said, this feels like my box. We received an eyeshadow brush, and a brow gel, and then a tan product and some kind of mist. But 3 out of 5 products are my kind of products, and it just feels, yeah, I love this. So let's read about them. It seems like the brow gel, well, we don't have an info on that one. Instead, we have some information about the Manicutter Beauty Lash Extending Primer. I didn't receive that, so I guess I received this one instead, but we don't have info on this one. Yeah, it's just a clear brow gel. Don't have any more info about that. Decure Microbiome Repair Mist. Recommended price for 50 milliliters is $54. This is 15 milliliters, so it has a worth of $23. Yeah, so it's for your face, and you should apply it every morning as a first step in your skincare routine. You can also use it during the day if needed. Your skin will thank you. This is gives a boost, and yeah, it has D vitamins and a lot of good stuff. It's a powerful cocktail, okay, for your skin. Small size. And I think this will, well, it won't last you so long, so I would appreciate a bigger size, but I'm still thankful. And then we have the Nita Beauty 223 eyeshadow brush. It's a full size, recommended price $8. This is a special eyeshadow brush because it's made exclusively for you, Goodiebox members. It's fluffy, it's vegan, and it's going to be your eyeshadow's new best friend. Blah, blah. You can use it to apply your eye products. Doesn't matter if it's an eyeshadow, a glitter, or a cream. I love it. The Beauty Group full-size espresso yourself eyeshadow palette. Recommended price $25, so it's a affordable, well, more affordable than expensive kind of eyeshadow palette. It has 21 highly pigmented shadows, both mattes and shimmers. They're rich with caffeine and antioxidants, which reduces swelling, dark circles, and wrinkles under your eyes. With this, you can mix the shades to create different kind of looks, from elegant to more everyday kind of makeup looks. Yeah, and of course you can apply them with your new eyeshadow brush. James Read Sleep Mask 10 Retinol. This is not a full size, but recommended price for 50 milliliters is $40. You receive 25 milliliters, so it's half of the full size version with a worth of $20. So it's a sleep mask. You should apply it before you go to sleep, and you will get a tan in the morning. Apply the mask on clean skin once or twice a week before you go to sleep. Clean your skin in the morning. Okay, so we love this box. I love the makeup products. Good job, Goodiebox. I hope next month's box is just as good. It would be nice to receive maybe some makeup products from well-known brands as Benefit and so on, you know. I'm just throwing it out there. It actually feels like they watched my videos. I don't know if they have, but I'm so happy. I'm so glad they included more makeup products, because that's so rare when you're looking for a beauty box, because you always receive so much skincare stuff, and I don't want that. I understand that some people do, but I don't. So this is really my kind of products, and this feels more like I'm actually going to use them. So yeah, I'm happy. So that's everything for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss my future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!